Good morning, dear students. We are starting with a new chapter, the talkative barber, today. So, in the city of Kashgar lived a barber who was a great talker. There was a barber in a kingdom of Kashgar, and he was very talkative. Once the Sultan, the ruler of the kingdom, he called the barber. He wanted to get his head shaved, but the barber, he started talking non-stop and he did not do his work, and the Sultan got very angry. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? He asked the barber. To that, the barber replied, "You do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. I am not a chatterer. I do not talk much. I am very quiet. People say I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers. You can call them chatterers, but not me. The names of my brothers are Bakban, Bakburya, Bakbak, Alkuz, Alnashi, and Shakabak." He is telling about his family to the ruler. He didn't ask him, but still, because he is very talkative, he is telling him about his brothers. He is telling that one is humpbacked, one is toothless, one is half blind, another one is quite blind, one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech, and they are all great talkers. But I am the youngest of my family. They are total 7 brothers, and he is saying that all of them are great chatterers, but only I am the quiet one. Okay, long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar ruled over a large kingdom. His queen was a good storyteller. So this is one of the stories from Arabian Nights, and this is the story that the Shahryar's wife, the queen, is telling the king. "Give him 3 pieces of gold," the sultan cried, losing all patience, "and send him away. I will not be shaved today." When the ruler realized that he will not be able to shave him, he'll keep on talking, he said, "Please give him 3 pieces of gold and send him away." But the barber, he was like so stubborn. He said, "No, you called me up, so I have come. Now I will finish my job, and then only I will leave the palace." And then he again started narrating a story and again wasted the time of the king, of the sultan. The sultan said, "Stop making fine speeches, let me go quickly. मुझे बहुत ज़रूरी काम है. I have an affair of greatest importance. I have to go out at noon time." Now the barber is interested in knowing what that important matter is, so he kept on asking the sultan that, "Raja, please tell me what the important matter is. What are you going to do in some time?" And the ruler knew that he will not stop talking until he tell him his purpose, his important affair. So he said that, "I have some friends, they are coming for a feast at noon time, so I have to get my work done at the quickest." So he said, "Please finish shaving at once so that I can go and attend my friends." And to this the barber said that, "I also have friends, they are also coming to my place. Because of this that I came to your palace, I forgot that they are coming to my place. Now I haven't made any preparations to that." The ruler said, "Okay, I will give you the food that has been prepared for the feast." Now the barber said, "Okay, please bring that food for me. I want to check it personally, and I want some dessert also. I want fruits in dessert. So please arrange all these things for me, and then I will shave your head." So after all this, the sultan said, "Okay, I'll give you everything. You can judge the food, you can have everything you want, but please just shave my head off and let me free." Okay, the barber left off shaving the sultan to exam. So this was it, the story. The ruler was left half shaved, and he was all furious and he was all anxious because the barber kept on talking and he did not finish his work. Okay, read the chapter again from your book, practice reading it properly, and also try telling the story in your own words.